Hi, my name is Lynn Rowlan, and I am a presenter at the 2021 International Sucker Rod Pumping Virtual Workshop. My presentation will be at 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday, February the 9th. The topic of my presentation is using dynamometer data to identify solid impacting pump operations. I'll use data from 12 different wells during the presentation. I really enjoy using fluid level and dynamometer data to analyze and troubleshoot and optimize the operation of sucker rod lifted wells. I hope that you can use this information that's presented to better analyze your wells in order to increase oil and gas production and reduce operating costs. If you're interested, please log on to the www.alrdc.com webpage and register to attend.